Hi there guys, and welcome to the watch channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at this watch, which is the Seiko Prospex SRPH43K. Now this is an Asia limited release from Seiko within their Prospex range, or Prospex, sorry, and it's certainly a colourway that is very unique and quite striking. Now, truth be told guys, I'm not really a big fan of Samurais. I think they're very big, bulky watches. I've honed them before, albeit on the metal strap or metal bracelet, sorry, and I think there's just a little bit too much metal on that watch. But this one on the blue silicone strap has sort of changed my mind a little bit. I'm not too sure why. I think it's more than likely the colourway, but let's take a look at the watch, and please guys put in the comments your view on this particular watch. Like I say, it is an Asia limited release. It has an anti-reflective sapphire crystal, and as you can see there is a date magnifier attached to the crystal. There is also an anti-reflective coating on the inner side of this watch. Now, for those of you guys that haven't held a Samurai, they are quite weighty, albeit though with this on a silicone strap it weighs in at a very, very manageable 130 grams. You can see the crown there has a rose gold tone to it, heavy knurling, and there's also very similar knurling on the bezel here. Now the bezel is ceramic and is filled with an orange/coral paint, which like I say, I think is fantastic. You've also got a printed Seiko logo, X automatic, and then again in the similar coral red writing, divers 200 meters. So as you probably guessed, the watch is water resistant to 200 meters. That's further secured with this crown, which is screw down, and you do have a screw down case back as well. Now the watch is the usual strap, is the usual silicone number from Seiko. Very, very nice. It does have the tsunami logo here, and very, very nice rose gold furnishings for the buckle and strap holder. You can see there it has nice Seiko etching on it as well, and it's really nice to sort of see that detail with this particular watch. Again, you know, not that I'm a big fan of rose gold watches, but it would be nice to see this watch in that rose gold colourway, just the case as well. I think that'd be a fantastic watch to own, and certainly something a little bit different from the other Samurais that Seiko produced. The dial has a beautiful sort of, I call it a grenade look, but it's actually just a square waffle applied sort of detailing on it. You can see the hour and minute hands also have a rose gold tone to them, and then that beautiful second hand in the same colourway as the bezel and the writing on the dial there. You see, as with all Samurais, the hour markers are deep filled with Lumibrite. The one thing to mention is though the hour markers are applied metal, again for the sake of continuity and just overall adding to the aesthetics of the watch. It would have been nice to have seen those with the rose gold outer as opposed to the silver metal, but you know, it is what it is. In terms of dimensions, you're looking at 43 mils across and 13.4 mils thickness. Like I say, it's 130 grams, so it's not particularly heavy, which is mainly due to the fact that we have this silicone strap. But like I say, it is a very, very nice watch overall, and certainly if I were to have a Samurai, then this is probably the model that I'd be looking at. Now, I just want to say thank you very much to our friends over at starbuy.com.au for loaning us this watch. That's very, very kind of them, and as per usual, I will put a link in the description, guys, so if you are interested in taking a deeper look at this watch, then certainly go and visit them on their site, and I'm sure they'll have a great price for you. Anyway guys, I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. Your support is greatly appreciated. I hope that 2022 is a fantastic year for you all, and let's just hope that we get rid of this COVID once and for all. Anyway guys, you take care, wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye.